In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to close or turn off inverted camera on iPhone. To actually close or turn off inverted camera on your iPhone, it is very simple to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to the settings on your iPhone. So once you get to settings on your iPhone, what you want to do on here, you want to scroll down and tap on camera. So we have camera over here, tap on camera. So once you tap on camera, you want to scroll down and look for where we have under composition. You can see we have mirror front camera. As you can see, mirror front camera is turned on. This can be also called inverted camera. So on this mirror front camera, as you can see that it is turned on, you want to tap on it to turn it off. So once you turn off the mirror front camera, you have successfully closed or turned off the inverted camera on your iPhone. So you just want to go back to your camera and test it if it is now working or not. So guys, this is how you can actually turn off inverted or close inverted camera on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.